Well, good morning. Bright and sunny, beautiful Tuesday morning. Hope everybody's having a good time. Good work week so far. This is meteorologist Nick Johnston coming to you live now on Facebook and on YouTube on this beautiful Tuesday morning. Today's weather, like yesterday's weather, is sponsored by A through Z Builders and Remodelers. There you go. That's what their logo looks like. You can check them out on Facebook or give them a call. All right, let's talk about the weather because it is going to be an absolutely beautiful day today. Hey, did you like yesterday? Well, then I think you're going to like what's in store for this afternoon. Mostly clear skies will greet you this morning. Beautiful sunny stuff. You already need your sunglasses right now before you head outside. A comfortably cool morning, but we are warming up already. Some of us have jumped out of the 50s and into the 60s already. And we will continue to warm quickly through the 70s. And today, a little bit warmer than yesterday was by a few degrees. Looks like we'll get into the lower 80s with beautiful sunshine throughout the day today. Hey, social media is working a little better this morning. Rita Donahue, good morning. Steve Wallace Jr., good morning. Betty Van, good morning. Karen Hanlon. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Yeah, today looks absolutely terrific. Another great day to get outdoors. Yesterday was near perfect, and today will be pretty much a repeat. You'll notice the wind becoming a little bit breezy this afternoon at 10 to 15 miles per hour. It should feel nice when that light wind is blowing. It should be beautiful, actually. Chuck Miller, getting the Robs ready for Saturday. I'm guessing ribs, Chuck. I've seen your posts before. You're a rib man. Should be a beautiful weekend for grilling. Chris, good morning. Gene Morgan, good morning. So here's something else that's nice. Like yesterday, today dew points should not be bad. Yesterday, dew points were very comfortable. Today, we're still going to see dew points in the low to mid 50s. That's a little bit higher than yesterday was. It is still below 60. So today should still feel relatively comfortable when you're outdoors. You might notice just a little bit of humidity. Not going to be bad. But this is important to note. Today, dew points are still relatively low. Tomorrow, we're going to get a bit of a surge of humidity. You'll feel a big difference tomorrow when you're outside with our dew points rising tomorrow into the mid-60s. Muggy tomorrow. And with that comes a chance for scattered showers and storms. Tomorrow, one or two could be packing a bit of a punch. That is not likely today, though, where we should be keeping it beautiful, sunny, dry, and with low humidity for today. All right, Shirley Quinney, good morning. Kathy McDermott, good morning. Robert Rhodes, good morning. Normal high would be 77 degrees above normal. Nice. Yeah. Time to start opening up those pools or kiddie pools, in my case. Whatever your budget allows. I think it's about that time. When I show you the 7-day forecast, you'll definitely know why. A warm-up is coming. So while today we're going to be about 5 degrees above that normal high, later in the 7-day, we're talking 90s, upper 80s. Some serious summer heat is coming back our way, and most of the 7-day forecast will feature some pretty nice temperatures, lots of sunshine. 95, that's our record high. That was set just last year. Hey, 2017. That's familiar. 38 degrees, that's the record low. That's set back in 1972. Yesterday, winds were generally out of the north. The average wind speed yesterday, 6.8 miles per hour, relatively light. We did have one gust, at least, up to 20 miles per hour, but that's about it. Today, could be similar. Winds should be at about 5 to 15 miles per hour for much of the day, but gusts, yes, could be up near 20. Not bad at all. Brownell, Alan Burt, good morning. Susan Boyce, good morning. Yes, it is a beautiful start. All right, well, actually, speaking of which, let me take you outside and show you this beautiful morning, starting with Cobleskill. Look at that. Gorgeous looking morning here. Blue sky, as far as you can see. This is what it looks like in Cohoes, the Mohawk River. Oops, there we go. Very pretty. Sunset Beach at Inlet, New York. Looks amazing. Lake George, beautiful. It's a lot clearer than it looks here. I think the camera might need to be adjusted a little bit. This is what it looks like at Long Lake, New York. Look at that. Talk about a postcard image. At Dock, looks very inviting. On a morning like this, Long Lake from above. Awesome. Just a little bit of thin cloud cover in the background. Plattekill, blue skies. Bright morning, top of Whiteface Mountain, where one of these mornings I expect to see a few adventurous hikers up at the summit. Yeah, that happens sometimes in the summer. Early morning hikers sometimes show up here on the webcams. Haven't seen it yet. Haven't caught them on the webcam just yet, but I'm sure I will. Hey, if you do happen to be up there, wave just in case you show up here on the webcam. That's from the top of Whiteface Mountain. All righty. This is what it looks like right now. This is up at Whitehall. Just beautiful. Looks like there's a little bit of a breeze up here at Whitehall right now. Hey, this is what it looks like at Tupper Lake. Also a gorgeous looking morning. And finally, this is North Adams, Massachusetts. Look at that. Beautiful all across the area. Southern Vermont, Massachusetts, and pretty much all corners of New York. Looking nice for today. All right. And for more on that, here's the satellite imagery where, yes, it is a cover there. Near the border of New York and Vermont, heading for Massachusetts. No rain associated with that little batch of clouds. And most of us are seeing mostly sunny skies with very little cloud cover to stop that beautiful sun from shining. Today's a perfect day to get outdoors. And you will not need to worry about any chance for rain today. Now, tomorrow will be a different story. But before I get to tomorrow, let's talk more about what's happening right now. 61 now in Schenectady. Yeah, I said some of us have already risen out of the 50s and into the 60s. It was a bit of a crisp morning, but the sun's now been up for a while and the temperatures are rising quickly. Still a few places showing 40s in the Adirondacks. Like I said, a little cool in some spots early, but rising now rapidly. We'll be out of the 40s through the 50s, 60s, 70s, and today we hit the low 80s for most parts of the region. A few hill towns might stay in the upper 70s. Should be gorgeous, though, all across the region. Just a beautiful, beautiful late spring afternoon. No watches, warnings, or advisories to worry about locally. But we do have that chance for storms coming tomorrow. So let me show you, first of all, what's happening today. Today, not much. High pressure remains locked in place. That keeps us bright, sunny, and dry. No problems to speak of today. But that high is going to move off to the east and allow this area of low pressure and this frontal boundary to start pressing up into the region. That happens tomorrow. And with a big push of moisture and humidity, there is going to be the chance that at least one or two storms could potentially be on the stronger side of things. Well, let me show you what that looks like when those storms roll in tomorrow. Here we go. This is what it looks like today. This is this afternoon, this evening, and now here's what it looks like tomorrow. Yeah, that frontal boundary starts working up into our area. That's tomorrow in the late afternoon and evening, and this front swings on through. With that comes a chance for storms. Like I said, there is a chance one or two could be strong. Where's the biggest chance? Well, here we go. That is going to be generally in central New York. That's where the biggest chance for severe weather tomorrow will be located. Timing-wise, it'll be in the afternoon, midday, maybe in the late morning into the early part of the afternoon that we could be seeing those strong storms. But notice the slight risk is for central New York. There is a marginal risk in darker green that does include the capital area, southern Vermont, and into Massachusetts. So really tomorrow, any part of the region could see an isolated strong storm. But the best chance for those storms to be on the severe side would be a little bit to the west in central New York. But that's something to be mindful of tomorrow. And when it is raining tomorrow, it could be heavy rain. So while today you can leave that umbrella in the car, tomorrow you might want to make sure that's on hand. And tomorrow we could see a few showers or storms even popping up in the morning. So tomorrow we could be getting an early start. Holly J. Martin, good morning. Suzanne, Ridgeway Poulin, happy Tuesday. Kathy Mitchell, good Tuesday morning. Hey, what about allergies? Well, pollen counts today are going to be high. That's kind of the trade-off. Pollen counts are kind of at a little bit of an inverse to the weather. Nice weather often means high pollen counts. Rainy weather, though, means low pollen counts. And that's what we will be seeing. Today, it's going to be absolutely beautiful, but we will have some high pollen to deal with. Tomorrow, though, with those scattered showers and thunderstorms, it's not going to be quite as nice a day to be outside, but pollen counts will be significantly lower tomorrow as a result of those showers and storms. So, a little bit of a trade-off. That's just something to remember. There's always a silver lining when it is raining. It means it should not be a bad day for allergy sufferers. Okay. Hey, let me get back to the forecast because I've promised there is a lot of night being one of those beautiful days. Melissa Volsky. Hope I got that last name correct, Melissa. 82 today. Mostly sunny, a little warmer than yesterday. A little bit of a breeze developing during the day. Nice day today. Absolutely beautiful. 82 the high. 58 tonight, staying a little milder tonight. Clouds will start to increase as we head overnight, knocking on our door. And then during the day, scattered storms will be a good bet. 78, still warm tomorrow. And tomorrow we turn muggy. High humidity surges into the region tomorrow. With that comes a chance for scattered showers and storms. And yes, one or two storms could be on the strong side. Gusty winds would be a possibility with some of those storms tomorrow, along with heavy rain and frequent lightning. So that's something to watch out for tomorrow. But most of the 7-day forecast looks amazing. Look at that. Karen Maloney says, sneezing already. Yeah, I hear you, Karen. I know I have my allergy meds with me. Lynn Gilmore, good morning. Ed Bodner, to you, sir. And yeah, I can imagine. Low humidity, bright sunshine. From what little I know of hay baling, that is nearly perfect. Tomorrow, though, not good. High humidity, likely heavy at times, possibly severe weather. 78 degrees for your Wednesday. But look at the 7-day overall. Wednesday is really the only day that looks like a bit of a wash. Look at the rest of the week. Thursday, a little cooler. Nice, though, pleasant, breezy on Thursday. So Thursday, we get a break from the AC. You can turn off the air conditioners on Thursday and just open up some windows. 74 degrees with beautiful sunny skies on Thursday and a west-northwest wind blowing at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's Thursday. A little cooler. Comfortable. But watch the rebound. We go from 74 on Thursday to 78. That's back to normal by Friday. Beautiful sunny skies continue. 78 on Friday. 84 then on Saturday. You're starting to see a little bit of a shift in the pattern. 84 on Saturday, 88 on Sunday, 90 on Monday. With the potential for some storms developing Monday in the afternoon. Right now, it looks like another dry weekend, but this time with some serious beach weather. Last weekend, it was warm enough. I went kayaking. It was warm enough you could certainly make use of our waterways if you wanted, but the water is still pretty cold. This is the kind of weather, those kind of 80 and near 90-degree temperatures that might drive more of us to get into our area lakes and streams. By this upcoming weekend, take advantage. But remember, the water is still pretty chilly, so you do want to make sure you have proper safety gear. You wouldn't want to you wouldn't want to accidentally end up in the water and not have the proper flotation devices, because this time of the year in spring, the water's still cold. You could get hypothermia a little quicker than you would in midsummer or late summer, for example. Just something to be aware of. But I mention that only to say, get outside this weekend and take advantage of that absolutely beautiful, much warmer weather that is coming our way. All right. Hey, thanks for joining me here on Facebook Live this morning. Hope your work week is going swimmingly. And I hope you're able to take advantage of some of this beautiful weather that we are seeing.